Freshwater aquariums are gaining popularity as both a relaxing hobby and a stylish interior feature. As more enthusiasts dive into aquascaping, the demand for high-quality aquarium plants has surged. These plants not only beautify tanks, but also support aquatic life. In this guide, we evaluate the best freshwater aquarium plants based on factors like realism or liveliness, ease of care, tank compatibility. List No. Majoiwu, natural coral driftwood for aquarium decor, fish tank decorations, assorted driftwood, branch 6 to 10 inch, 3 pieces. Though not a plant, the Majoiwu natural coral driftwood is an essential addition to any freshwater tank. This 3-piece set of 6 to 10 inch driftwood adds a natural, rustic aesthetic that complements live or artificial plants perfectly. Each branch is unique in shape and texture, making your aquarium look more organic and visually appealing. Ideal for shrimp, small fish, and even planted tanks, it also serves as a surface for beneficial bacteria and mosses to grow on. It's aquarium safe, requires no maintenance, and offers hiding spots for fish. While it doesn't photosynthesize like live plants, List No. Hameldye Aquarium Plants plastic decor fish tank green decorations plants ornament, safe for all fish. If you're looking for a maintenance-free solution, Hameldye Aquarium plastic plants offer an excellent visual alternative to live plants. Made of non-toxic plastic and ceramic bases, these artificial plants are designed to mimic the sway and texture of real aquatic flora without requiring light or CO2. They're perfect for busy tank owners or beginners who want a vibrant look without extra care. The base keeps them anchored securely, even in tanks with active fish. They're also safe for all types of freshwater fish. No sharp edges to worry about. While they don't improve water quality like live plants, they do provide shelter and enrichment for aquatic. List No. Anubias live aquarium plants, potted freshwater plant for fish tanks terrariums. Beginner, a favorite among beginner and veteran aquarists alike. Anubias is a hardy, slow-growing freshwater plant that thrives in a wide range of conditions. Sold potted, it can be easily transferred into your substrate or tied to driftwood or rocks. It tolerates low light and doesn't require CO2 injection, making it one of the most forgiving live plants available. Its broad, waxy leaves resist nibbling by most herbivorous fish and help prevent algae buildup. Beyond aesthetics, Anubias enhances water quality by producing oxygen and absorbing waste nutrients. It's ideal for community tanks and aquascapes with minimal care needs. Just avoid. List No. Amazon sword, Echinodoris bleheri ×3 plants, live aquarium plant. Amazon sword, Echinodoris bleheri, is a classic choice for aquarists who want bold, lush greenery in their tanks. This pack of 3 live plants is perfect for creating a dense background or a striking mid-ground focal point. The Amazon sword grows quickly in moderate light and flourishes with root fertilizers like tabs. Its large leaves not only offer excellent hiding spots for fish, but also help oxygenate the water. While it can grow up to 20 inches tall, trimming keeps it in shape. This plant does best in nutrient-rich substrates and can thrive in a wide temperature range. Though slightly demanding compared to other beginner plants, its visual impact is worth the effort. List No. API root tabs freshwater aquarium plant fertilizer, 0.4 ounce, 10 count box. While not a plant itself, API root tabs are a crucial addition for anyone serious about growing healthy, vibrant live plants. Each tablet contains essential nutrients like iron, potassium, and carbon that support root development and boost overall plant health. They're particularly beneficial for heavy root feeders like Amazon swords and cryptocorynes. Simply insert them into your substrate near plant bases and watch your greenery thrive. These tabs are safe for all freshwater fish and won't cloud your water. A 10-count box provides weeks of feeding, making it a budget-friendly and effective solution to sustain lush plant growth